Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 6 of this SL house. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to start the kitchen. Now we're gonna continue working on this. So let's go back to section. And the one thing that I want to do is to center this one. So I'm gonna move this using here, move command or MV short, and then here just roughly in the middle. So next thing that we're gonna do is we're going to add the top cabinets. So let's go to level 1, or actually we could do is we could use the section because we can actually extrude it from the top here. So now what we can do is go to architecture, click on component, model in place, and then generic model, press OK, and then OK again. Click extrusion, pick a plane, make sure to select the wall, not just the end of the wall. So if you select just the end of the wall, this will happen. It will ask you to go to that view. So press escape on that. You need to select set again, pick a plane, and this one is the way that you can see that you're selecting the front of the wall. It's because it's highlighting all around here. So select that wall. It doesn't ask you to go to another view again. And then here you just need to click on extrusion. Make sure to change this. I'm planning to do the same one at what we did in the below here, 550. And then here we could change it to wood. So I'm just putting this one. I'm just gonna use that for now. Click apply, OK, and then select here around the top. Actually, I'm going to add the boolean first. And then after that, create another one. But this one is a different material. Make sure to differentiate that. So another wood material, and pull it up like that. Click apply, OK, and then let's select this one, and then let's just add our cabinets. The reason that I wanted to have a separation there is because I want this one to look like it's still, you can still grab it from there. I'm probably going to pull this one down as more because it looks like it's too high. And then change that one as well. So around 500 I'm gonna put, and then click on finish, and then finish first, and then let's move everything accordingly. Select this one, grab it from there, and then what we could do is we could go to 3D, AL, align this one, align this face, click on tab, and then right there. And then here what we could do is select that, only move this one a bit, and then here pull this one backward actually, and then align right there. So at least we can still put, so this one, this extrusion right here will be actually smaller because I want to add something right here at the top, like spotlight or a strip light, so something for lighting, and it will look nicer. And then after that, let's go back here, click that one, edit in place, create, select extrusion, set, pick a plane, and then make sure to select this front faced. After that, click on here, offset to 10, click on the corner, and you want to make sure you're inside, so space bar, and then click on the corner again. After that, you want to make sure to select, to put it in the midpoint again, I know this is not midpoint for this one. What I'm planning to do is just copy at the ends, and then after that use align so that we could just align it all together like that. AL, so AL, use align to align it. And then lastly right here, align it there. So now everything is equal, and we just need to have this one going above. And then now SL on all of them, and then we need to trim and extend. Okay, so now for this extrusion we just need 25, and then we need to change this one to laminate, and then click on finish, and then let's look at it at 3D to see how it looks. So that looks good. We're gonna add in the same finish that we have right there, but for this one we might have it differently, just to have. So what I'm gonna do is go to section, create, and then create a void extrusion, and then here we need to click on set, pick a plane, and then we're gonna pick this plane, and then we're gonna do the same thing 10 and then -10. use this. I'm just using this one so that we have the same profile size. And then I'm just going to add it right there. In terms of here, what I'm planning to do differently is I just want it to be like that. So I'm estimating like that. I think that's good enough. Copy it in the middle, because everything is equaled. And then click finish, cut geometry, and then finish. So in the top it looks different than the bottom. I'm not sure if I like it. I'm not sure if we should just do it same way as this one. It looks more modern. But at the same time, let's see. I just want to push this one now. Because this one looks good as well. So looks like I'm planning to just do it like that. So I'm just going to delete all of this and then just extend this one. AL, and then click finish. Yeah, this one looks much better actually. So I'm just gonna keep it like that. I'm gonna leave it like that, and then here what I want to check is the materials that I use here. Granite cut polish. I'm just gonna copy that and then click finish, and then let's go to our section because I want to add it here into our section. I'm planning to add it right here and on the side. To do that fast, I'm going to use model in place again, generic model, and I'm just going to click on extrusion, pick a plane, and of course the ball again, and then here I'm just going to add a 25. That's perfect, and then make sure this is the materials that I'm going to use. Select all of them, copy, and then add it right in the corner. You need to select all of them, so click on tab, copy, and that into the corner right there. And then here we need it to be 0, and then here 550 I believe is the depth. Click finish, and then we could just extend it a little bit so that it's in the same one, so it looks nice like that. Not sure if we should just extend it all the way to the top so that it looks much better. Yeah, I'm just gonna extend it all the way to the top like that, and then let's edit a little bit on the side like that. There we go. Click on finish, go back to section, edit this one, edit in place, and we just want to edit our case. Because we added somewhere here. Edit extrusion, AL. So that's good. Here we need to edit as well. AL. And then here we need -10, so 623.2 here as well, 623.2, so -10 on those, and then we have our extrusion right there. So that's good. And then go back to section again, and we're going to add in our backsplash. So let's go and add, we can actually use this one, extrusion, click on set, pick a plane, and then let's select the wall right here. And then here select the wall and add a rectangle. Make sure it's just 25 thickness, and then you change the material. So for the here for this one, I'm gonna put in tile. So I'm probably gonna use this one just because it's a tile material. And let's go and click on finish, and then finish, and let's look at it. So that looks good. One thing that we forgot to do is we forgot to create a kick plate. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this one, and then I'm going to pull this one up. So I'm gonna just going to manually pull all of this up like so, and then we could just change that up later on, because we need to create a kick plate here. So edit in place. After that, create void sweep. We're gonna pick a path, which is we have a path right here, and then click finish. And then after that, we need to edit profile, and then here we just need to use a rectangle to create a profile. It needs to be going inside. So this one should be around 50, and the height should be around 100 is good enough. And then now click on finish, look at it again, finish, and then cut geometry. It's not noticeable if you're that in there, but as you can see, that looks cut now. And then now what we need to do is just go to section again, and then just drop it right there. We can even add a gap if we want to, but it doesn't matter anymore. We could select the face there to this face, and then after that we could just add that face or copy that face, align it to the others. So now that looks much better. Having a kick plate, it looks much real because of that. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.